Late night productivity. In the midst of the night sky soaring, lies thyself awake. The night sky seemed so long. To him it seemed as light as day. Late night gossips rise, with members seen afar. But hardware broke said barriers, and time and space has disappeared. Sound of music starts to hum, bricks that block starts to crumble. Series of ink starts to stroke, and new days rise with a canvas in hand.